And we are live! Hi, Ma'am Chat! Good
Hi,
evening!
good evening.
Hi! Hello, everyone! Good evening sa lahat ng mga kasama natin that is going to join us for our Tuesday live. Today, we are very excited to share to you my grade 1 teacher, Ma'am Chat, Charito Aborde.
Yes.
Hi,
Hello.
ma'am. Thank you. Hello. Si Ma'am Chat po, she knows, she's been with my community since I was 17 years old. Tapos, kasama niya na po si Mama before nag-retire si Mama. I think, ma'am, kami yung first batch mo sa grade 1, no?
Oh,
Kami yung
hindi ko
first,
naman naging student kita.
I think first kami kasi ikaw ang sumunod kay Ma'am Rishu.
Okay.
Ikaw ang nag-replace kay Ma'am Rishu sa grade 1. Di
Pero hindi
ba?
ko yung child na katulad mo. It's all years na, no?
Yes.
Kaya,
So, ilang taon na ako? 44, going 45. So, naalala ko kasi galing kami sa Dayaw ni na Mama. Tapos nag-move kami sa Lanot. Naabutan ko pa si Ma'am Rishu noon. Tapos, pa-retire na siya, ikaw ang pumalit.
substitute.
Oo. Tapos ako naman nag-grade 6 na ako, naabutan ko pa si Ma'am Marquez, tapos si Miss Marquez naman, si Ma'am Connie, ang pumalit kay mama niya. Kaya parang dong batch namin, yun yung switch of generations.
Yes.
Tapos ikaw, teacher mo na yung sister ko, tsaka sister-in-law ko na si Manang Lourdes.
My friend.
Grabe ang circle of life natin, ma'am. Yeah. So, ma'am, very excited ako sa live natin, sa topic natin ngayon. Kasi nga, ako as a healthcare worker dito sa Canada, most of our clients, our patients are cancer patients. So, sa Canada, libre ang health and services. Pero ang problema is, laging walang bed sa hospital. Tapos ang waiting time, emergency department pa lang 4 to 7 hours na yung waiting time ng mga pasyente. So, ang team namin, team of doctors, nurses, healthcare workers, technician, dinadala kami sa community. Kami na ang nag-take over. Kami na yung team ang pumupunta sa bahay ng mga pasyente.
Very good.
So, yes po. So, ang connection namin is very personal when it comes to patients and family. So, it's really hard din na to be connected personally. Tapos we also grieve for the patient and for the family. So, for me to see you, ma'am, nga healing sa journey mo at you are reacting positively sa chemo, very happy ako, ma'am. Kaya it really aligns with my passion na we could share a lot sa mga kung sino man ang mga na-lose hope because of cancer, because cancer is just a season of life. There is more story about it. Yung parang new discovery na, oh, I could do this. Yeah, I could be stronger more than the cancer. Yeah, so thank you, ma'am. And I'd like to encourage everyone, if for those who are watching us and who's gonna rewatch this live, keep tagging whoever you would think would benefit from this talk. It could be from the product. It could be to share about sa faith na namin ni Ma'am Chat, or it could be a mindset, or kung sino man ang may mga challenges about this journey. Feel free to tag us or share this live, and for sure later on, even after this live, a lot of people is going to rewatch this talk, and we look forward to do this every month, so we keep on sharing, going out, reaching out, Kasi ang maganda ngayon is we could do this online. We don't have to go to places like physically or personally go to places. We could do this online po. At si algorithm will find our people sa Facebook. So, ma'am, let's start our live talk. We'll make it happy and cheerful and encouraging. So, ma'am, for those na first time na meet sa atin dito sa live, tell us about yourself, ma'am, and what is your journey?
Yes. Hi everyone, I'm Charito Balderrama Aborde, a master teacher too of Antonio Villas's Memorial School of Rojas City, DepEd. I've been teaching for almost 32 years now. I've been on a cancer journey for almost a year now, and it came back. So it's definitely been a challenge. Before all this, I was really careless with my health. I would eat anything I wanted, lalo na barbecue and soft drinks. Hindi ko niisip kung ano ang epekto sa katawan ko. But now, every day feels more precious. I try to make mindful choices and take care of myself in ways I never thought about before.
Ma'am, follow-up question. May I ask, what is your cancer, ma'am, and what stage at that
Uh,
time? Your first
is yan, ovarian cancer stage 3.
mm, stage 3.
Already,
Anong
already operated last September 2024.
tapos nag-recur po siya this year?
I've undergone 8 chemos and it recurred this year.
Mhm. Nag-start po sa liver, ma'am, 'no? Yung sabi mo nagpa-ano ka,
Uh,
nagpa-surgery ka?
Maybe because of the drugs, nag-ano siya sa
Mm.
liver. Nagkadto siya sa, nag-abscess siya sa liver.
Mhm.
But it was
So yung
treated already.
so yung time pala, ma'am, na nagcha-chat tayo, nasa ano ka na nun, nasa ospital ka, na-admit ka?
Yes. Wala
Wala
sinasabi.
ako idea.
Yes, hindi ko.
Tapos grabe ka, ma'am, you have been encouraging me, like you're sending me messages, like encouraging me through faith and devotional without me knowing na you are having difficult times pala sa health mo. Parang sinabi mo sa akin after na yung surgery mo, na-discharge ka na yata.
Opo. You know what? When you are in the hospital, much better to
Mm.
stay in there because all your laboratories are being monitored. Lahat na
Mhm.
magnesium, potassium. So when you go out from the hospital, you're healthy. So
Mhm.
sometimes sa bahay, akala mo may sakit ka, iniinda mong sakit, yun pala, may nararamdaman ka that you need to go to the hospital right away to be treated.
Yeah. Mhm. Totoo po 'yan, your body is sending you messages, like giving you warning. Like mga pain, di mo pala alam na mam na it could be a sign na kailangan mong magpa-check-up.
I've undergone pain also at my back, pero hindi ko
Mhm.
gin-mind because
Oo.
maano ako sa pain, tolerable ako sa pain. So yun pala,
Mm.
we need to have it check up from the doctor.
Mhm. Wow.
Mhm. So that's my lesson in life and I am sharing this to others na kung anong naramdaman mo, pa-check up ka. At huwag matakot sa ultrasound because ultrasound can see what is happening inside your body. Although it
Mhm.
costs much sa Ross City, mga 2.5 yon. Sa Manila,
Mm.
mga 9. Mm-mm.
Mhm. Yeah. Pero it's the best investment na gawin mo is for your health. Most
Yeah.
valuable.
Lesson learned, that's why I'm telling all of my colleagues to have their self check up. May
Yeah.
yung mga stones nila dyan, UTI, kailangan din ipa-check up yan.
Yes. Lagi akong may urinary tract infection kasi dati nung nag-work ako sa ICU sa St. Anthony, Siyempre ang demand ng work halos hindi ka makakain. Hala tira kape, soft drinks, instant noodles. Pero nung bata pa ako parang hindi ko iniisip, parang okey lang magka-UTI, check antibiotics. Pero eventually babalik siya sa'yo, eh, babalik siya
Oo,
sa
iibang
sistema
ka
mo
na.
kung anong kinakain mo. You are what you eat, you are what you drink.
Mm.
Mm. So ma'am, kasi matagal akong hindi nag-Facebook. Matagal ako hindi nag-Facebook, siguro mga 4 to 5 years hindi ako nag-Facebook. Kasi meron din akong
Mhm.
of course, as a woman, we all wanted to get pregnant, be a mother. So we tried fertility treatment. However, right after nag-start kami ng fertility treatment, na-boost yung hormones ko. Nagkaroon ako ng 3 surgeries, one thing after another. Tapos, may endometriosis ako, nagka-anal fistula, mayroon pa akong na-remove pa yung gallbladder stone ko, tapos nagka-complication for 2 years kasi during COVID, hindi ako naoperahan. So I keep on waiting hanggang sa nag-create ng, I don't know when the hiatal hernia started. Tapos may fatty liver tsaka IBS. Hindi ako nakakakain, ma'am, yung 'pag kumain ako, magbo-bloat ako tapos mag-start na akong magsuka. So anytime magkaroon ako ng flare up, like 'pag, nagda-drive o di kaya, right after kumain, hindi ako muna aalis, I'll stay for 2 hours. Pakiramdaman ko muna yung digestion ko, either I'll start throwing up or I will have loose bowel. So nag-lose weight po talaga ako from 98 pounds to I think almost 70 pounds.
Oo.
Tapos yun, nag-start ako nitong products na supplements kaya yun yung advocacy ko is to
That's
share
why you
this.
discovered this product?
Yes. So, ako mismo nagte-take po nun tapos si mama, si papa, ngayon mga sisters ko
Hmm,
nagte-take na rin sila. So, more on serving talaga kung sino ang maka-benefit nitong
mm.
product. Kaya nga po sabi mo, "Eh, paano 'yan wala kang wala kang tawag dito, paano yung source of income mo?" Sabi ko, "It's part of my serving sa community who could benefit it the most."
Mhm. Tama.
Yeah, yeah. So ikaw ma'am, before before you learn about Live Good through me, are you also looking for any supplements to boost your immune system and your energy, especially with your during chemo?
Mm. Yes, I've been searching for food supplements, and
Mm-hmm.
it's just right time to that, that we talk about this, and I've learned about, and I've tried it also.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Ang challenging lang kasi nung time na first tayo nag-ano ma'am, nag-chat about ma'am chat, nag-chat.
Mm.
Yung first tayo nag-chat is kaka-join ko lang sa Live Good. So hindi ko siya alam kung paano ko siya dalhin sa Pilipinas. So yung
Mm.
ginawa ko, nag-order ako for myself, tapos sinend ko sa Philippines. Yun pala, hindi ka puwedeng mag-order ng maramihan kasi i-hold ka sa custom, tatagal siya sa custom. Tapos may extra fee pa. Eh, nasa Rojas City pa sina mama, so it took about 2 months, tapos yung another order ko yun pa yung na-delay pa. So, eventually I've learned from other communities sa Live Good like sa DMPA, may mga coaches pala na nagre-resell na ng products doon kasi 2 years na yung Live Good, naka 3 years na pala. So, yun po ang ano ko, yung community talaga is, maganda na mag-reach out tayo sa mga tao kasi you'll never know, they could help us. They have their own strength when it comes to different categories, not just for education but for health as well. So yun po si Coach Raisa, siya po ang na-reach out ko para magpadala ng products sa inyo. Yan po kaya, we are very happy na na-receive niyo po kasi nag-worry po kami sa inyo hindi ko po kayo ma-contact. Sabi ko, "Ano kaya nangyari kay Ma'am Chat, bakit hindi ko siya ma-contact?" Or mas pinili niya na mag-rest sa sa cellphone, gusto niya lang healing, healing lang siya.
Phone ko na open. Hindi na open yung cellphone ko.
Oo. So yung nag-take ka ma'am ng factor 4 after surgery na yun ma'am 'no, pero before chemo?
After. After na.
After surgery, before chemo?
On the process yung chemo.
Chemo,
Tuloy-tuloy yung
oh, okay. Tapos nung nag-follow up kami ng sense sa'yo ng Super Greens tsaka Methylene Blue, nakailang session na po yung chemo niyo ma'am, nung time na yun?
mga 4. Sa 4th na.
Naka-4 session.
4th.
Oh, okay. Opo. O kasi sabi ko, si Ma'am Chat 'pag chinat ko siya, let's say hindi siya mag-reply today, pagka following day magre-reply yun. Sabi ko, "Hala, 4 days na." Tapos kasi may phone number ako, mayroon akong phone number mo. Ang hirap mag-Tagalog, Ilonggo na lang pala.
Yan eh.
Um, so hindi ta ka matawagan tapos yung si Coach Raisa tinatawagan ka niya. Kasi siya yung pinaka first person ko na na-reach out na, next to Coach Fernan na may nagre-resell ng products. So tinatawagan ka niya. Sabi niya, "Coach Vic hindi ko siya ma-contact." Sabi ko, "Pero coach, pero 'di ba may address ka? I-ship mo na lang kasi 'pag may makatanggap dun, for sure ibibigay sa kanya." Sabi niya, "Sige i-send ko na lang." Kaya nung sinend namin nagpe-pray kami sana ma-receive ni Ma'am Chat. Sana kaya si Ma'am Chat?
Hindi, kararating ko lang from the hospital.
Tapos saka binigay sa'yo. Kasi sa Manila ka ma'am 'no, nagpapa-treat tapos sa Tarlac namin sinend?
Oo, nag-standby sa bahay kasi paparating pa lang kami.
Hi ma'am, tell us about, yung mga services sa veterans. For those who have who have cancer, undergoing chemo, pero wala sila sa Manila. Ano po yung mga accessible na mga health services na ma-offer when it comes to family of veterans?
Actually, those who can benefit about the services in veterans are the dependents. Or else, ang payment doon. But then I am thankful that through the services of my husband, I was able to have a privilege of being treated. Kasi ang mahal talaga lahat. Ang mahal magkaroon ng cancer. It take
Yes.
millions. And I'm thankful. And sabi ko kay Lord, Lord, you still have a purpose for me. Why I have this privilege. So heal me na so that I can share your word. You know what? When I was in the hospital, mas gusto ko magpa-assign sa ward. Kasi pag sa ward, marami akong kausap. So lahat doon, so hindi guarantee na matanda na tayo, wala na tayong sakit. Meron doon pa, kaya careful din tayo. Dahil sa mga age 60s and 80, may mga cervical cancer pa yung mga matatanda. So, hindi na nila kayang treatment. So, Lord, sabi ko, thank you for this age wherein I'm still able to receive the chemo na walang side effect. Hindi ako nagsusuka, may gana kumain, nothing, walang lagnat. And thank you, Lord, for that. That's why I need to minister sa loob din ng ward ng veterans kasi they are very, very weak and they are hopeless. While they see me alert, alive, papunta kadto pa kare kag wag gawin nakal. But then ang wakal ko is that is to share God's word. that we have the assurance nga ang sakit nga ni ginhatag sa akon tungod nga I need to empathize with them
Mhm.
and to feel them and to share the word to them. But then I know that I can surpass this through my testimonies and mabless man ang iban.
Mhm. Kag ano ma'am 'no, 'di ba, ng let's say, ara kita sa scenario sang usually it's a space or a room nga naga-chemo kamo. Usually ang energy sang room nga naga-chemo, it's very sad, very depressing. Tapos they see you nga you're walking around nga positive ang energy mo. So ang energy mo gina-attract mo sila. So curious sila nga, why you're so happy, why you're so energetic, why nga naglakat-lakat ka nga nagawakal-wakal. So, what motivates you? So just looking at you ma'am nga amo ka na, it gives them hope, like it gives them curiosity na why she's like that. Like there's more behind, more than the cancer. So I think ma'am that is your mission is to inspire
Yeah,
people.
that,
Mm,
yes, the reason why I am into this situation, maybe because I need to be with them, to share with them. Pero kailangan ko rin makaalis dito to share
true.
God testimony na si Lord din ang nag-heal sa akin. Then one
Mhm,
time, they are the ones asking me to pray for them. Please pray
mhm.
for me. But sad to say, all of them are gone already. But then I have shared the word of God that
Mm,
whatever
that's
happened
very true.
to us, He has a purpose. Then one time, sang ginaoperahan ako, after operation na recover nako, hambal sang aid, Ma'am Christian ka?
Mm,
Ako naman, siya kay do ka relax ka lang ya ma'am. Kay bisan ginaoperahan kaya do wala gataas imo BP. Siyempre relax ka
mhm,
kay I am in God's hands. Kag trust naton ang ang everything, ang process sa mga doktor. Then one
mhm,
time may isa ka doktor nga nagpray nagsulod sa hambal sang doktor, please pray for us also. So kinuha ko kay sila ang mag-opera sa akon. Kinuha ko, can I pray for you doctor? Then we prayed. Kailangan din natin na ng strength ng mga doktor. Nag-a-ask man
mhm,
sila sa prayer from us.
mhm, mhm. Yeah. Ma'am, imo oncologist, abi mo na-appreciate ko yung oncologist mo, ma'am, kay not all oncologists are very open when it comes to supplements.
Mhm.
Ang naalala mo nag-send tayo email sa kay Lisa Goodkin sa, product educator. Kasi the intention is to really help and serve. It's not just for business. So, ang pinaka-advice niya dun is before you start the supplements, show this product to your oncologist and ask for approval. So, it takes time for us to get the product para sa'yo kasi nga we wanna make sure that this gonna work for you at it's not to heal you but to support you, especially during chemo. So, I appreciate po
Yeah.
yung iyong oncologist kasi she or he agreed to it.
Yes. Yeah. Indeed.
Mhm. Ano po sabi ng oncologist, ma'am? Okay lang sa kanya?
You can take any supplements uh, for myself. Wala man sa may
Mhm.
ginambal
That's
kung specific.
that's good.
Kailangan din natin na supplement.
Mhm. Yeah, especially during chemo to fill in the gaps. Kaya usually sa mga patient namin, ang it really holds them back for healing is hindi nila ginakaya ang chemo. Kaya right after chemo, yes, it's gonna kill your cancer cells, but also it affects your good cells. Tapos maapektuhan din ng iyong immune system and ang electrolytes mo magababa rin. So ang benefit po ng supplements is if you have the right dosing and right dose of a certain nutrients that your body requires, then you get the actual therapeutic benefits to fill in the gaps. So let's say you went for chemo yesterday or today, and then pag uwi mo sa bahay, suka ka ng suka, feeling mo yung tiyan mo sarado. Yung wala ba, hindi ka wala kang food intake kasi you are having reactions to chemo. So ang super greens po, yun po yung maka-help sa'yo. Yung it will boost your energy and your immune system until such time that you will heal naturally kasabay sa medications at chemo na prescribed ng iyong doctor. So ma'am, tell me more about when you first tried the super greens and the methylene blue po.
You know what? I am saving these super greens sa mga times na wala akong other food. So, meaning to say,
Hindi ka makakain?
hindi what I mean standby siya kung wala akong pagkain na iba. Suppose, kailangan natin yan everyday.
Mm.
Kaya lang, para makatipid ako, standby muna siya. Pero, supposed to be, kailangan natin siya everyday.
Super greens. Yeah, you have to take it every day, ma'am, para
Kaya
ma-boost.
Everyday. Para hindi maubos agad, Vic.
Sige. Alam mo na yan. I-ask natin si Coach Raisa. Ano yan, ma'am? Good for 30 days. Do malaki ang scoop niya? Malaki ba ang scoop or maliit?
Pero marami din. Yung half.
Half lang yung i-take mo once a day. Kasi originally, yung scoop niyan is maliit.
Yes,
Tapos yung bago na supply nila, malaki na yung scoop. So, just take half.
Food talaga siya.
Oo. Kaya nito, let's say nag-fasting, tapos ito kasi bloated ako, tapos may flare up ako sa aking fatty liver. Hindi lang ako kakain. So, just I allow it na naturally digest ko ano man yung kinain ko ng mga fatty food, tapos ito yung iniinom ko. Pagka next day mawala yung sakit ng ko dito, flank pain.
Actually, Vic, kung may cancer ka, we need fasting. And we need super greens. Hindi nga magpinabuang ng takaon kung anong kanuon ta, more sa rice, more sa meat, nung super greens talaga ang kailangan natin kasi we need fasting. Ara man gid sa YouTube.
Yeah. Intermittent fasting. Kaya it allows your body to heal, no? Pero feeling mo gutom ka, pero actually you will feel the benefits the next day or two. Kaya hindi na rin ako nagra-rice, ma'am, especially yung white rice. Ga-cause siya sang bloating. I'm on into black rice. Tapos lang siya, parang 2 tablespoon lang, tapos ko siya sa sabaw, yun na. Pero siguro mga once a week lang kami kumakain. Nasanay na rin. It takes a while for us to adjust. Kasi of course Filipinos, we love to eat rice. So ngayon, I try to avoid rice. Mga mga cheat day lang, yon. May mga message din, ma'am, basahin ko, ma'am, ha. Ito. Si Nang G, nag-message siya. Kaina nabasa mo. Ito. Hello, Ma'am Chat and CC Vic. Sabi ni Maria Luna, God is good all the time po. Yung shinare natin na na Bible verse na talaga siya, sabi niya she feel blessed dun sa niya, sa nabasa niya na post ko na shinare mo yung Bible verse. Kasi sabi niya meron din daw siyang pinagdadaanan. It lifts her up na ma-blessed siya dun sa Bible verse na shinare natin. Tapos, we have Coach Narcisa watching from Australia, San Policarpio Samar, from Paranaque, si Coach Tibbs, si Coach Jonas. Hello, Coach Vic and Maria Luna, Layan Berbano. Amen. Tapos si Ma'am G.
Kinig?
Ano po?
Marami palang nakikinig. Akala ko dalawa lang tayo.
Hindi, 14 andito sa chat. Ito si Mama G. Sa live, ma'am, makita mo sa Nainay Vic. Happy to
Oo.
see you fresh and pretty ng Charito Aborde. See you soonest. I love also Factor 4. Hambal ni Mama G. Ni Ma'am G. Ito, para makita mo. Kita mo message sa screen.
Sige, go.
Yan. Kita mo, ma'am? Sa
Yes.
cellphone mo? Yan. Ito.
I mean,
God bless. Yan. Ito pa isa. God bless your advocacy, Sis Nainay Vic. Shalom. Love always from Coach Chari Colonia. Si Coach Chari, invite ko din to siya na mag-guest ma'am kay stroke survivor din to siya. Mag-ano din siya sa mga product testimonies. Yan po ang advocacy ko every week, every Tuesday that we keep sharing the products and sharing our faith.
it's a nice move, Vic, because I've been carrying this burden even before pa kung ano ang mission ko and maybe I am into this situation na kailangan ko I will not make promises lang bala. I need to fulfill na kasi ang dami ko ng promises.
Yeah, walk our talk. Walk our talk by sharing our journey. Kag it's more on peace and boundaries, ma'am, no? Hindi na siya yung kagaya, like in my age, 40 years old ko, 44, I'm more into peace and boundaries. Yung hindi ka na mag-chase sang affirmation it's more on affirmation from your journey, like more on spiritual healing. Kasi ang family ang mga partners or siblings, they can do much, but we need a certain higher energy, our faith to guide us. Kasi we all have our own challenges. Let's say, yes, you are my sister, you are my husband, you are my mom, but we all have our own personal challenges. So, yun nga sabi nila, meron na tayo dapat war verse. Kung ano ba yung let's say you're in a very sad or depressing situation, pero you keep it to yourself. So you really have to have a war verse, which is a Bible verse or a mantra that really help you nga just take it one day at a time. So ma'am, other sa Bible verse na gin-share mo sa akin kahapon, ano pa po yung mga pinaka stories or inspiring na pwede nyo po i-share sa amin when it comes to your faith?
Let's go back first about the product I am taking in. I the Live Good Factor Advanced Formula and Methylene Blue Anti-Aging Nootropic. I started taking the products about a month ago, and for me, it was less about expecting miracles and more about adding something positive to my routine. During my chemo, even small things, when I saw my results showing improvement, I felt encouraged. It was like even with all the challenges, I could still do something good for myself. It reminded me that I made that small step matters. So, malaki talagang effect ng ng product sa akin. That's why thank you for sharing this to me. And I am very touched na there are people like you that are concerned to others, no? Sometimes because of the cost, although gusto natin mag-share pero we stop ourselves from sharing. But then thank you for the good heart and I need to do the same also to others.
You're welcome, ma'am. Amo gina ma'am ang pinaka-advocacy ko nga to help someone na who would benefit it the most. At you notice po sa natin sa talk natin sa live sa Facebook, I am not really focusing on the product just for the products itself, but for the entire person, I'm focusing on your journey. Kasi nga po, it's for us to to be authentic and to be sincere is to really reach out and engage to someone personally and spiritually. Kaya I appreciate you ma'am nga bisan gin-skip ko siya konti, ginbalikan mo siya.
Oo nga,
Thank
kasi
you gid ma'am.
I need to share.
Yes. Ang ano ma'am, yung pinakagusto ko sa product kasi, I always also watch ano siya, eh, ang mga founders ng Live Good, they show up every day. Meron silang mga Zoom calls, I think 3 to 4 times a week. Especially ang Monday sa YouTube, meron silang product education. Meron do'n, para for enlarged prostate. Meron do'n for, stroke prevention and, recovery. So, kung meron silang mga health issues, how to boost your immune system like recovering or undergoing chemo, meron silang mga product education na they provide information not just for the product itself but for the totality of your to get like what is the difference of lifespan and having a healthy health span. So to have a good quality of life. Kasi yeah, let's say yeah, you age up to 90 pero nasa ano ka naman, naka bedbound ka naman. So it's really fulfilling to be part of this company na aligns with my passion as a healthcare worker. So ma'am,
Yes.
na ano talaga ako yung nag-message ka sa akin na, "Vic, alam mo 5 days akong nakahiga lang after chemo pero nag-take ako ng methylene blue tapos nakabangon ka na at nakapaligo." So,
Hmm,
kailan mo siya tinake ang methylene blue ma'am tapos nakabangon ka at nakapaligo the next day or that same day?
before ako nag-take, masama na talagang pakiramdam ko dahil mababa yung hemoglobin ko. So, nung
Hmm,
sa akin ng product, I I take it or right away. That's why
mhm.
nakabangon instructed na dapat magpainit after taking the methylene. Yung ganun.
Mhm. Yeah. So ma'am, ma-focus ako sa methylene blue kung bakit na gano'n yung reaction mo sa methylene blue, ma'am. Kasi ang methylene blue po, it focuses on your mitochondria. So ano po ba ang mitochondria? Yan siya po sa loob ng cells like ano yan siya, i-compare natin yung cells sa mga bahay-bahay.
Hmm.
Tapos yung mga bahay kailangan ng ilaw. So yung ilaw, yun po yung mitochondria. Tapos dun po nagfo-focus yung methylene blue. It gives you energy. Tapos it also rebuilds your cells. Tapos po, ang maganda yon yung parang yung may brain fog ka. Parang nag-ano ka na it boost your energy and also protects you. It protects your good cells from chemo. It gives you extra barrier. Kasi nga parang ano siya, parang starter ba? Like, pinapatay yung good cells, pinapatay yung cancer cells. Tapos parang nagle-less yung energy mo. But because of the mitochondria and the methylene blue, parang binibigyan ka niya ng extra boost. Kaya yun po, it will give you more benefits pag na-expose ka sa sun kasi mas ano yung absorption ng methylene blue. Tapos ang sa Super Greens naman po, it
Yes,
has a
yes.
lot
Thank you.
of benefits, antioxidant. Tapos ang Factor 4 ma'am, maraming nag-share ng Factor 4 during chemo, especially kung IV yung ano mo, yung chemo mo. Masyado siyang strong.
Ah,
Parang maano yung mga veins mo. Yung iba nga parang nahirapan
mm.
na sila mag-raise ng arms nila kasi ano siya eh, very strong yung solution ng chemo because of the effectiveness ng factor 4, yung inflammation, nale-less po niya. So mas madali healing process ng katawan natin dahil po sa supplements. Ay! Goodness!
Bakit?
Naula
What
ko.
happened?
Naula ko.
Ang imo super green?
Yes, sa keyboard.
Huh? Nabasa?
Nabasa. Patay.
Na.
Wait lang.
Pwede na natin i-cut.
Sige lang, ari po. May headset na.
Okay lang. So,
Yes.
you asked me on my verse, on my life verse.
Ano, ma'am?
Yung life verse ko.
Yes po.
The Lord is my strength and my shield. My heart trusts in Him, and He helps me. And for my mantra, my life's trials today will not last forever. Kung ano man ang naramdaman ko ngayon, this will not last. God is turning my pain into purpose and struggles into testimonies. That's why He has a purpose. Why I am in this situation.
Abi mo bala, ma'am, when I am struggling personally, like, feeling ko I'm stuck na kasi as a woman, I mentioned earlier, all I wanted is to be a mother. Yun yung pinaka-answered, pinaka-ano ko pinaka-prayer ko na, Lord, gusto ko lang naman magka-baby, mabuntis, yung parang ganun. Pero bakit every time na pupunta ako sa ospital, hindi para manganak, kundi operahan ako. Sabi ko, nakatatlong opera na ako, ilang beses na ako nagkaroon ng grabe talaga, basang-basa. Nakailang beses na akong consultation, ganun-ganun. Gusto ko lang naman mabuntis. Pero it takes a while for me to accept it, ma'am. Tapos I prayed na, sige, kung hindi naman ako mabubuntis, hindi na ako magka-mom, hindi na ako maging mother kasi 43 na ako last year nung pinray ko. Ano ang mission ko? Ano yung purpose ko in life? Hindi ako maging mom. Tapos pagod na akong mag-overnight shift. Sabi ko, gusto ko rin naman magpahinga. Ma-work ako morning, tapos work din ako overnight. Hindi na ako nakaka-stay sa bahay. Umiiyak lang ako. Tapos, pagod na rin akong yung mga affirmation, yung you long for something ba? Mga human needs. Tapos yun, nag-apply ako sa palliative care na as a healthcare worker. Tapos na-appreciate ko, sabi ko, I love community. I love this kind of job. Kasi hindi lahat nakakaya nila yung especially scenario na you come into someone's place tapos actively dying na. How you compose yourself to do your job but at the same time be passionate na hindi ka mag-cramming, you know what to do, you know how to be compassionate to the family, to the patient. Sabi ko, parang ito yata yung purpose ko. Tapos ito yung Live Good dumating din. Parang nag-a-align siya. So it's really na, yes, you ask for something, pero God has more plan for you. Tapos sabi ko, sige, pag ganito, balik ako sa nursing, papasahin mo ko. Sorry po. Ang aking dogs, I have 5 dogs. Panda.
5 babies.
5 fur babies. So, ma-amaze ka talaga, ma'am, no, kung ano yung plano ni Lord sa atin despite of
Yes.
challenges in life.
Just take your time, Vic. God will answer your prayer.
Thank you.
Or
meron siyang plano for me. Acceptance.
Pila ka pa lang, Vic?
44, ma'am.
Ang nakabata ko, mga 43. As long as straight ka, kaya. Yes, ang second child ko, 43 years old. I just keep on
Nagpa-fertility rin kayo?
Wala. Just prayed. Ang gap niya is 5 years sa firstborn ko. And that's how prayer works. Faith lang talaga.
Naalala ko, ma'am,
Impossible na lang.
dati, tapos yung husband mo, di ba na-assign siya dati sa Mindanao? Saan nga siya dati na-assign nung nasa
Uh,
sa
Mindanao
Villasis ka
dati,
pa?
sa Mindanao dati, 2 years ako doon pabalik-balik. Dito sa
Oo.
Tarlac, 5 years ako pabalik-balik. Faith lang talaga ang makakatulong sa ating faith. So, 44,
Mm.
pwede pa yan. May 45 pa nga eh.
Sige,
As
i-try
long
ko
na
mamaya.
ka. Oo.
Yes. Yes, gamin
Pero,
straight pa, ma'am.
ang gawin mo lang, once lang in one day. Early in the morning.
Once in one day! Hindi ko
Ah,
malakaya.
once lang para
Ma'am,
pure. Sabi ko, uwi na, nandi okay na. Early in the
once a week
morning, brum,
pwede.
brum, brum. Hindi, nakabuo. Once a, once a day. Basta seldom lang, wag palagi.
Oo. Kasi dati,
Para
ma'am,
puro,
nagiging parang ano na siya, task, yung ongoing ang treatment namin. Nagiging task na siya, hindi na siya namin na na-enjoy ba na as
hindi lang,
naturally. Kasi sabi ng doktor, "Oh, you have to do
hindi
this
lang
in this time
relax,
timeline." Ano, ma'am?
relax lang, hindi mag-stress nga. Ay, sano pa ni. Relax lang in
Gani,
God's time.
'di ba? Hopefully
45 pa.
magkaroon ng yeah, base sa when I reach 45, no?
Do God's work and He will
Yes,
give
yes.
the rest na ginagawa. And we'll pray for you also.
Thank you,
May
ma'am.
dala ka man gali, pero it can never be seen in your face, beautiful face. Because you're always happy. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na ganun pala for almost 4 years nag-rest, ganun.
Nag-rest ako. Kay maano siya tanan na lang nakikita ko may nabuntis, may bata, yung ganun ba daw trigger siya sa akon. Kaya ay nag-rest talaga ako sa Facebook nung time na yon para hindi ako ma-expose, hindi ako ma-hurt. Actually, yung mga challenges in life ma'am, kung ma-overcome it makes us stronger.
Pero
Tapos,
dahil dyan, Vic, marami kang mga souls nga maging blessings para sa iyo. Ako, isa na rin. Kung hindi sa'yo, hindi ako nakipag-in touch sa'yo, hindi ko nakilala yung Live Food.
thank you.
Na
Alam mo,
makatulong
ma'am,
sa ako.
naalala ko yung isang pasyente namin. Ang dami niyang cancer since siguro 30, 40 siya. Sa sa family nila, ano talaga ang cancer sa family. So, I think this is her third cancer. So, meron siyang bladder cancer. Tapos, as soon as you open the door sa bahay nila, maamoy mo talaga ang cancer kasi lumabas na Nasa from bladder to vagina. Ganun ka-loud ang cancer niya. Tapos as soon as you open it, talaga yung hard and kahit ako as a healthcare worker, though maano ka ba yung usually cancers inside hindi mo siya makita. Pero behind that, nakita ko siya as a person, grabe ang faith niya. So, December 24, Christmas Eve, we're talking about her journey, not just for the cancer, but also about her faith. Tapos, because of her pala, ma'am, it renews my faith. Tapos, sa DMPA, part ako sang team sang DMPA dira sa Philippines. They're not just focusing on selling and networking, but also they have this every 5 a.m. nga nag-devotional sila. Tapos ang community nila, meron din sila mga seniors. So for seniors especially, they need to have routine. They have to belong to something nga they feel they belong as a community. Kasi if you don't have if you don't have if you don't look forward for something every day as a senior, parang nagde-decline sila. So, na naano ako ma'am yung tawag dito, Panda, stop it please. Na-inspire ako nga I was able to reach out and connect to you ma'am, at I look forward na we could do this at least every month, and we could have more people to join us and to share the goodness of the Lord and how could they inspire people nga the same journey nga not just for cancer but also searching for passion at ma-renew ang faith.
Yes.
Amo na ang
And I'm
pinaka
happy
take away.
and I'm happy na that we have started today.
Yeah. Tapos we could discuss ano ang maging topic natin. Tapos every day may ma-meet tayo na tao, tapos it inspire us. Na may take away ka ba yung it's not just na you meet someone pero you don't listen, you don't feel the presence, but really to engage in a more deeper level.
Yes, yes. Sometimes we cannot take time na makipag-istorya sa tao kasi kulang time pa. But then through online, may time dali kita makaistoryahan na kahit so it's a blessing bala.
Yeah.
It's a blessing na online talk.
Nakita ko ma'am yung video mo ma'am about sa bonsai. Na-inspire mo ko sa to kay ang patience, resilience, kag before ka makabuo sang napakanami nga bonsai, it takes years. Kabana mo na ma'am na na hobby, since when siya nag-start?
Agriculturist siya eh.
Oh, wow. Tapos?
Start siya nung pandemic sa bonsai. And it's a hobby na talaga. Mas palangga niya pang bonsai sa family niya. Pero therapy niya rin.
Oo.
Hanggang ngayon bonsai pa rin siya. Pero when you see the bonsai, it's so beautiful. Nakaka-stress free talaga. So, kailangan, you know what, ang ornamental plants, kailangan natin matutong mag-bonsai kasi ang ornamental plants, it takes 3 years lang para and
ma'am, choppy ka bala ma'am.
nga nagduwag na to. Thought man choppy na.
Oo. Dapat liwaton ta. May message si Ako klaro ako sa imo, ma'am. Klaro ako sa imo.
Klaro.
Oo. May message this si Manang Gigi.
49 minutes.
Amen, Ma'am Charito Aborde. God always with you. Your struggle will not last forever. Your mission is to inspire others from the Bible verses you share plus your experience, and because of your faith, you survive. Message ni Manang Gigi. She's watching.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Gigi, my friend.
Ma'am Chat, pakiulit naman yung sinabi mo kasi choppy about sa bonsai.
Ang ornamental plants, it will only take 3 years. Mamamatayan na yan after that. So useless na yung mamahaling mga ornamental plants na binibili natin nung pandemic time. Patay na yan ngayon. While bonsai, it will last for centuries.
Yeah. Ano ang
And
pinaka-oldest na
together,
bonsai niya, ma'am?
10 years pa lang ngayon, starting sa sa pag take care ng Pero the more nga gadugay siya, nagamahal. But then we are happy sa pag-join sa mga contest. May mga award na rin kami. May fruit-bearing trees. Nanalo kami sa tamarind. Namunga siya.
Wow! Hey, ano ang size ng tamarind? Maliit din?
Mga from seeds. Then, mga ganyan lang. Basta bonsai nga talaga.
Wow, kaya nga ang ganda. Nakita ko yun, parang siyang actual miniature tree. Tapos di ba ang
Yes,
laking
may
ganun?
bignay pa nga kami. Bignay.
Mhm.
Kung na-timing lang na namunga ang bignay sa contest, nanalo din yun. Kaya lang, seasonal din.
Kaya nga ang ganda. Ang dami. Siguro over 20s ang bonsai niya.
Meron. Mga 20
Yeah.
years.
Wow.
Pero, syempre, the more nga ng years niya, the more gamahal.
Yes.
You're not
So how much
counting
is it?
sa,
How much is it, ma'am? Ang 10 years. Mahal yan. Mga
Almost 100,000 basta 10 years.
yeah. Grabe. Mga
Pero
ano yun yan,
syempre,
dapat mga hotels ang inyong targeted clients.
we are praying for a person nga pindak magbakal like kay Chavit Singson namili
Oh?
ng mga ibon kasi may zoo siya. So may mabot gid ang time nga may makumpra gid sing tigdamo. Kay ini diri nga
Yeah.
area Clark City magiging green city na ni siya. So madamo mabakal nga mga offices.
Yes. Let's
Wala
pray
pa
for
kami
it. Let's
post paano yan. Wala pa kami
post ikaw everyday. Tapos ano nyo yung angulo ng pag-picture. Dapat golden hour. Yung ano ba, yung sunrise. Kasi maganda ang maganda ang tawag dito, feature or yung ang tawag dyan, may ano yung maganda yung pick up ng lighting sa sunrise or sunset. Or between 9. Kasi pag tanghali, ma'am, masyado na siya ka-bright. Hindi na maganda ang focus. Tapos dapat i-anggulo nyo.
Pag na-train na sila lahat na kuhaan ng wire.
Yes.
Wala na yan.
Though faith, no? Though ano man siya, yung parang tao ka din ba? Nga gina-form ikaw ni Lord. To ginaano ka niya?
Yes.
Gina-bend.
Gina-train niya ka.
Gina-trim.
Gina-bend ka. In such a way nga ang aton nga character maano siya ma-harness ang aton nga character. Through time. Ang aton nga sickness, through time, He will heal us. The doctor will treat, but God heals.
Yeah. Ma'am, may ari ako i-share nga video. Video ni Mama, kag video mo about sa methylene blue.
Yes. Sige.
Kita mo, ma'am?
Oo.
Sige. Let me know kung mabatian mo ang sound,
Okay.
Batian mo, ma'am? May audio?
Meron.
Sige, dali lang. Okay. Mama. Dark blue. Dark blue. Imo?
Apa, ari kini sabat sa imo may bano, may
Ikaw.
Hello?
child. Wish you upward. I hope you're taking the opportunity of this program. We're praying for your good health and strength each day. But we can't wait to see you back, healthy, refreshed, and smiling. See you soon and take care always.
Kita mo, ma'am, yung last? Ma'am Chat.
Thank you.
Nandulay mo video, ma'am.
Yes.
Nakita mo
Ay.
yung last na
Okay na?
message sa video?
Yes, thank you for the message, Ma'am Tess.
Obra niya nasa ato siya sa Cebu.
Ato pa sa to. Very
Yes.
instant ang friend ko Wonder Woman ako sila magtawag sa iya. Wala ko pa maubrang story about her life. Wonder Woman ang title.
Wow. Sige, ma'am, obra ka book, ma'am. Ako ang animator. Parang gusto ko yan mag-create ng animation.
Ikaw mag-illustrate. Ako
Yes.
matag sa values, sang input. Kay gusto ko gid my burden gid ako yung magubra sila. Ara ng title, ara ng thoughts. Ang drawing.
Parang story siya? Short story?
Short story lang para makita ang value bala sa isa ka person sa life.
Yes, sige, ako ang illustrator.
Anong i-gift mo sa iya para ma-appreciate niya kundi story lang gid.
Yes. Nag-obra ka, ma'am, story, ma'am? Dati? May books ka?
Wala. Siya ganito. Wala pa ko ka-start.
Sige na, bala. Bago na project.
Taw-taw tanga duwa.
Yeah, kay before, I don't know if you remember, during, ano tawag dyan? Every year may may evaluation sa school. Ako taga-drawing ni mama, kagday ng Gigi. Sa mga bulletin board nila. Tapos may...
So nakita ko na illustrator. Para na ikaw.
Yeah. Mas marami kay may Canva na mas madali mag-drawing. Hindi na siya sang mano-mano sa coloring. May mga apps na mas madali mag-drawing. Tsaka mas tipid. Ma'am, before tayo end ang ating live, I appreciate you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I look forward for our next live talk. Let's keep inspiring, and I promise that this will be my advocacy, and I keep improving para maka-reach out kita sa mas madamo pagin nga tao at we could inspire them not just about the product but also spiritually. And thank you for sharing your story, your journey. And God bless po, ma'am, at ma-chat pa kita about sa products. We will talk more about it. Ma'am, mahina ng signal ni Ma'am Chat.
About right now, I've been to mahina na?
Oo, ayan, ba't nakabalik ka na? Sige, okay lang. Go ahead, ma'am.
For many years, I've been too silent of sharing God's word. That's why He reminded me of this, to do and move and do my talk. So this is a great opportunity. Thank you for tapping me.
Tap, tap, tap.
Yes, I can do the mission.
Yes, ma'am. We can do this every month, Tuesday. No. Just show up every day and be consistent. But no promises.
Lesson.
Because, ang promise is to show up every day, or if not every day, every week, but be consistent.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Keep healthy.
Thank you, everyone who are watching us. And we promise, hindi gali mag-promise that we will We will do it and be consistent. Thank you, Vic. God bless you
Thank
in
you.
your and praying for you also. Thank
Thank
you, Ma'am
you.
Tess and everyone in City.
Regards sa imo husband kag sa imo kids, thank you sa pag-assist sa aton. You look so pretty with the ring light, with
Yes.
makeup and everything.
Wow.
Mama,
Kaya
ako na imo
gani.
illustrator.
Oo, we'll do that for the sake of Ma'am Tess. Alangan naman
Yes.
siyang gagawa para sa self niya. Let somebody
Kaya
do
nga.
it for her. 'Di ba? Kita ang
So
inatasan.
excited.
Thank you for the conviction. We will do it. We have a lot
Yes,
of
ma'am.
time
Let
now.
me know kung what is the best day for you to do it. Ang off ko po is every Tuesday. If you like, we could do it once a month para it's not too much for you. Kag kung ma-adjust ako sa akong schedule for you, ma'am. At the same time, we'll talk about the book.
Ang maubra ko guro, Vic, is ang write-ups.
Ano na siya, ma'am? Ah, right apps, oo.
Nakilala ko man siya for almost how many years. So, kilala ko siya. Ang gawin mo is to draw what
Yeah.
is written. O, di ba?
Yes, oo. I-describe mo lang na siya eh.
O, describe.
Tapos, oo. Sa Canva akong gamiton.
Okay. Sana magawa natin kahit ilang pages.
Oo, mga 100 page.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am!
Thank you regards to everyone. Good night. Good night.
Bye! Thank you, everyone! Thank you for watching. Meron pa tayong 14 viewers, oh. Okay, ma'am. I-end ko na, ma'am.
Yes, God bless.
God bless, appear.
You.
Thank you. I-end ko na.
Yes, God bless.